Uh, Good afternoon. This is Cesar Gonzalez with Gonzalez Marketing Consultant. Mr. Carlos, thank you for taking the time and allowing me to present this video to you. I know I mentioned that I was going to send it to you in the morning. Got caught up with a couple of things, but I just wanted to know to let you know that we were thinking about you guys. We didn't want to we didn't want to forget you guys. So this is a video, short and sweet, get to the point, explain to you what we do, and hopefully we can come partners and help each other out. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to generate 85 new patient leads within a 60-day time frame. My marketing firm specializes in Facebook and AdWorks, and I'll explain to you a little bit how that works. So this is not for everyone. This is for serious, dedicated family dentist offices only. And these are a couple of landing pages that we worked on when it comes to my marketing firm in collaboration with other firm in Houston. So these are some of the landing pages. JohnCooksDDS.com spends about $10,000 monthly on their landing page and on their AdWorks campaign. You're going to see why that's very important here in a bit. IslandDental.net, about $7,000 a month. Houston West Chase Dentist, more of a cosmetic type of dental office, but they spend about $25K a month. So I'm going to show you how that works. So what we've uncovered so far is why some family dentist competitors spend about $30,000 a month, and they're losing about $8,000 a month in their advertisement because they advertise wrong and things like that nature halt their advertisement process. So how do you get new patients same day? Not worry about SEO advertisement taking forever. SEO is search engine optimization. So you paid. Sometimes the Yellow Pages will call you or about your business, so they can put you on the search engine for most show ups. That is completely different than AdWorks and Google AdWorks, and I'll show you what I mean here in a bit. Okay, so how to prevent any type of good patient leads to go away to your competitors. How this channel is perfect, how this particular channel of advertisement that I'm going to present to you is perfect to add on or replacing any type of existing AdWords strategy that you currently have, if you have one, or any form of internet marketing. We want to make sure you do that, and you don't have to pay an outrageous cost per click rate. And also try to get you some new patients in your area. So this is what we want to try to do. So I hope you're excited. I hope you're excited about this info as I am to present this to you. So let's go ahead and get right to it, right? So, smart ad spending. What can we do for Dental Street to be able to maximize your profit in Brownsville? How can we do to help? Certain things that we can address, okay? I'm going to start with those for you. I'm going to start with Facebook. So we are currently the owner of the page called RGV Connects You. This is a secret group, closed group in Facebook that's exclusive. What I mean by that is secret and closed, certain things are involved. So not anybody can come into this page. Customers have to pay a monthly fee to enter this page to be able to see the businesses that we offer. So in other words, we promote our site as we do every single type of research. We do every single type of looking out and finding the proper quality referral for them. So they don't have to go look up. They could just look up on their RGV Connects You page, and you'll be able to see a business, right? And that's what we want. We want exclusivity. We want something like this has not been done in the Valley. Your end would be whenever we promote you in this page, you would treat a customer coming from RGV Connects You as a VIP. What I mean by that is you would treat a certain customer, the regular referral, comes in. Let's say somebody comes in, oh yeah, I found you guys on our RGV Connect. You would treat them as a VIP customer. You guys can come up with something. We can come up with something together to be able to promote this aspect of it, right? But this is one of the high quality promotions that we run. We also are going to have interviews, weekly setups, drone video footage of your building. All that could go ahead and we can actually help you market. So how Google Ad works? Google AdWorks is a thing that we use as well. How we use it for you? Very simple. I'm going to explain that to you here in a bit. Let me show you how this works though before we get into anything further. So let me go ahead and just this here. go ahead and bring up. All right, so let's do dentist in Brownsville. Let's hit Brownsville. There we go. All right, so this is pretty much what comes up when you search up dentist in Brownsville. This is what you get. You notice at the very top there are no ads being paid for in the Brownsville area. In other words, we don't have anything that shows up that says, okay, we have somebody investing in Google to be able to say, hey, this is what we want to do first. So you got your list, but this is based off of Google Maps, right? So Google's telling you, okay, so in your area, this is what you got. And then you got your top 10 people, you know, then you start seeing some dentists that, if you notice, the keyword is in bold. So the way you do this, right, is we'll put keywords that will be able to impact you to put you at the very, very top. I don't see Dental Smiles Dental Street. Yeah, it's right here. So you were way down here in the Google search. We want to put you up here. Okay, and this is how it works. So I'm going to show you how that works. Before we do that, though, let me show you a little bit of the advertisement and market analysis that I did in the area. So this is South Texas. This is the Rio Grande Valley. So monthly searches turned out to 18,000 searches of dentist area, right? Dentist offices. So the click-through rate was a 1.53. Not that good. The ranking of each website was 52. Now I'm going to show you what ranking. Ranking is very important. Cost per click was 7.4. Monthly cost into an advertisement was about 2.8 thousand. Okay, so I'm going to show you that and how that works too. So let me go ahead and bring this up. Google, how it works, and then alright, so formula. So your ad rank is affected by your cost per click times your quality score. Quality score is the secret sauce. That's what I put on there. Secret sauce of Google. This is what makes it pop. Okay. Example: advertisers 1 through 4. Advertiser 4 might be paying the max bid for a cost per click, $8, right? But their quality score is only a 1, so that ranks them at 4th on the position scale of Google, right? All the way to the top or wherever you show up. Advertiser 1 is paying $2 per click, but their quality score is a 10, right? So that puts them in the first position of Google. Just gives you simple math on how that works. Very, very simple. How AdWorks works for somebody, right? I'm going to show you that here in a bit. So you know how I put dentist in Brownsville? So this is keywords, all right? If you put bicycle, a one word, your low probability of completing is going to be very high because there's going to be so many searches coming out. Google is saying that people are now using 3 or more words to describe what they want. So that's a low cost to complete and a high probability of conversion. So in other words, if we aim the perfect keywords to what customers are searching for, we'll find the probability of them coming to you, and that's what we want to do. Google's chief economist says 60% of Google quality scores determined by the click-through rate. Exactly what I explained right now. Ad relevance and their landing page. We will take care of all this for you. Everything. So this is the common practice of a regular marketer. Okay, this is a campaign. They group 2 ad groups within the campaign. So this is the basic structure. This is how everybody works. After that, though, they do differ. Some ad companies will put numerous ads with a couple of keywords. That's the more expensive route. Okay, leads to more irrelevant clicks, more fraudulent clicks, a lower quality score. The way we do it, 1-to-1 method of 1% performance, is we'll provide your campaign, we'll provide your ad group, but we will only provide one ad with multiple keywords. A lot of companies do not tell you that you can put up to 1,000 keywords within the one ad. We have an enormous amount of verbiage that we can use because we deal with just dental offices. So that's what's the benefit for you. We will run an ad that will provide and that will show you up in the 1% of Google searches. Example. Alright, let me make a quick example for you. So we talked about in Houston, I hope you remember the person that came out, that we say that Houston was paying about 10 grand a month. Check this out. Top distance in Houston, we put in Houston, John Cook's DDS. Ad right there means that they're paying for their ad. John Cook DDS. Let me show you who it was from the very beginning of this page, right? DDS. Let's see here. There you go. John Cook's DDS. There it just shows you exactly what we're trying to do. So it just proves to you how the payment allows you to go ahead and come up, and they have the proper keywords, the proper things that allow them to put their ad on top. Factors that play into it. What we will provide for you: ad copies, search terms, ad relevancy, geographic relevancy, long tail usage, in other words, 3 or more words, thousands of keywords that we can provide for you. Time of day search, day and week search, all that leads to quality score. Landing pages. We will take care of this landing page for you. Landing page is the relevance of the page, the speed of the page, how the performance. Quick example, let me show you this right here. Where was the search? Right here. This, when you click on it, this is a landing page right here. Gives you info, gives them what they do, things like that. So we're going to make this a little bit more simplified so a customer will be able to see this. In a landing page, we will add what we call a mouse trap, right? This will get the customer to give you the info. What I mean by that is we'll put a question or a questionnaire really quick. What are you looking from? Just start off very, very basic. So what are you looking to get in our office? What are you looking to do? Do you have insurance? Things like that. So people are going to start answering questions. We can do a multiple choice, direct answer, things like that. And at the very end, we ask the main ones: name, email, phone number. So they're voluntarily giving you this info with a little survey that allows you to know exactly what they want. Much better customer service, much better planning for that customer. Alright, this comes part of all that. We take care of all of this for you. So I hope you were wowed by this, right? I hope you like what you see. We would definitely want a partner in Brownsville that we can specify to be able to go ahead and get this going. So if you have any questions, you can always contact me. You can always call me back. If you have any questions at all, just let me know. We're looking for a partner to be able to, we can do this. So keep in mind, our team works with dental offices only. We know what works. If it gets up to the point, then you can just pay per click. We want to be involved. We want to be a partnership. There's no risk on your end up to a certain point in the monthly cost. No leads means we can give you your money back. I can guarantee that for you. Okay. On top of that, we'll provide you with a free Facebook ads and for a month, just so for allowing us to be able to do that. But we're sure that we can provide this for you and give you the quality leads that you deserve, and for us to be an exclusive partner for the city of Brownsville with RJV Connects You and Gonzalez Marketing Strategies. Once again, this is Cesar. Thank you for allowing me to present this to you, Mr. Carlos. Call me back when you get a chance and you finish watching this video. Have a great day.